Hey, what's going on, guys? Angel Ross here, Andis Global Educator. We understand that some of you guys have purchased the reVITE and have had challenges with the engagement of the blade. Andis has heard the feedback and we have created an alternative spring option to address the concern of the blade coming off too easy. To get this alternative spring, all you have to do is contact our support team. The details are down below. All you have to do is simply request it. You will also receive a set of instructions to show you exactly how to easily replace this spring. At Andis, we pride ourselves in providing our creators with the tools they need to create their way. So how do you install the alternative reVITE spring? It's pretty easy. I'm going to show you. Let's get started. All right, so step one, you're going to want to make sure that you turn the tool completely off. So make sure that you turn the power off on the tool, and then you're going to want to remove the blade from the housing. So remove this blade completely, set it off to the side. You're not going to need it. Then we're going to take a T10 torque screw and remove the two screws right here in the housing. Always make sure that you put your screws off to the side so you're sure not to lose them. These are very small screws, so put them off to the side somewhere where you will not lose them. Be very careful with these. So step 4, once you've removed the two screws, you're going to want to remove this spring, and this is the piece that we're going to replace. And you're going to replace it with the spring that we're going to send you. So you're going to want to put that spring right where you took the other spring off, add that one back onto your tool, and make sure you align this up right where the other one was. And then we're going to go ahead and add our two screws back onto the tool. And when you're adding this back onto the tool, make sure you don't tighten this one on all the way. Make sure you put them on both first, and then we're going to tighten them. If you tighten one and not the other, it's gonna make the spring kind of lopsided, so you will make sure they're nice and even. So make sure that you're adding both screws on at the same time. Now we're just turning these screws clockwise. Now we're going to tighten them both down and make sure that they are tightened up properly. So next we're going to go ahead and just add our blade back onto the tool, and it should pop right on. Now it's going to be tight. It's not going to go anywhere. You can add as much pressure as you want to this tool, and the blade is not going to go anywhere. You can turn it back on to make sure everything is aligned, make sure everything sounds good. You can brush this tool as much as you want. You can brush it as hard as you want, and that tool is not coming off. So there you have it. In just a few steps, you can tune your reVITE to meet your needs. I hope this video was helpful, and I appreciate you guys for tuning in.